The sum number 3 of exercise 12.1 is find the value of first part is 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 multiply 2 raised to power minus 2. We know that when there is power 0 of some number, the answer will be equal to 1. So 3 raised to power 0 we shall get 1 over here, and 4 raised to power minus 1 we can write it as 1 upon 4. Why? Because we know that when there is some negative power of a number and when we write the reciprocal of it, we shall get the positive exponent. A raised to power minus m will be equal to 1 upon a raised to power m, and 2 raised square of 2, it will be equal to 2 multiply 2 means we shall get 4 over here. Now taking the LCM and we shall solve the bracket, we shall get 4 plus 1 into 4. Solving it, 4 plus 1 equals to 5 by 4 multiplied with 4. Cutting it by reading the table of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. We shall get answer will be equals to 5. Now see the second part, 2 raised to power minus 1 multiply 4 raised to power minus 1 divide with 2 raised to power minus 2. Reciprocating all these, so we shall get positive exponent of all these numbers. We can neglect by writing power 1, but we shall write the power 2 over here. There is no need to write the power 1 of these numbers. And solving it, 1 ones are 1, 2 fours are 8. Sign of division, 1 upon 2 square, it means 2 into 2 4. Now solving the division will be converted into multiplication. This number will get reciprocate. We shall write it as 4 over 1. Now reading the table of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 1 into 1, 1. 2 ones are 2. The answer will be equals to 1 upon 2. Now the third part is 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2. And when we reciprocate these numbers, we shall write 2 by 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3 by 1 raised to the power 2 plus 4 by 1 raised to the power 2. We can also write these numbers as 2 raised to power 2 plus 3 raised to power 2 plus 4 raised to power 2, because we know that when we solve the square of 1, the answer will be equals to 1. Okay. Now solving these squares, 2 raised to power 2, 4, square of 3 will be equals to 9, 4, square of 4 will be equals to 16. Adding these, we shall get the answer will be equals to 29. Now the fourth part is 3 raised to power minus 1 multiply 4 raised to power minus 1 multiply 5 raised to power minus 1. Writing the reciprocal of all these numbers. Sorry, there is plus sign over here, sign of addition. Now taking the LCM of 3, 4 and 5, we shall get 60. 3 20s are 60, so we shall get 20 over here. 4 15s are 60. I hope you all should know how to solve this by taking the LCM. 5 12s are 60, right? And adding this, we shall get 47 upon 60 raised to the power 0. And also we have done in the first part, when there is 0 of some number, when there is 0 in the exponent, the answer will be equals to 1. So 47 upon 60 raised to power 0, the answer will be equals to 1. Now the fifth part is 2 raised to power 3 raised to power minus 2 whole raised to power 2. I have told you a raised to power m raised to the power m, the result will be equals to product of these powers. Same here, we shall get 2 raised to power 3 raised to power minus 2 multiply 2. Solving this, we shall get 2 raised to power 3 raised to the power minus 4. When we reciprocate this, it means when we write 3 by 2 instead of 2 by 3, this exponent will become positive. Multiplying 3 by 2 4 times, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. We shall get 81 upon 16. Students, we take the LCM when we add the when there is addition of rational numbers. We will not take LCM in case of multiplication. Please keep this thing in your mind.